Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Security and Biometrics. Now tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, read the disclaimer, choose Start at the bottom, and keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now tap on Done. Click on OK in Attention pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!